Okay, this is your WW3 news of Tuesday evening. Now, this thing which happened in Italy, in precisely in the city of Pisa, is a very bizarre event. And it goes to demonstrate lefties a bunch of lunatics. And they bark up the wrong tree straight away. This is typical of lefties, wherever you go in the world. In Italy, there's no difference of that around the world. Now, Pisa. Porto look is like various suburb areas of the area Pisa, the city itself. And there is a school, primary school, and on the walls appear strange graffitis. Obviously, the lefties, they interpret it as graffiti done by fascists, and straight away they jumped on the bandwagon and say there's fascists around. Lefties are a bunch of paranoid people. They see fascists everywhere. What's the reality of the situation it came out as? They were markings of a local building firm which were renovating this school, upgrading it ecologically, putting what they call thermal coat on it, thermical. And obviously, before these lot should really think about it, instead of jumping to conclusions, making virtuous signaling their fascist appease and stuff like that, rioting and stuff like that. We must fight. I think there were two local politicians which made fools of themselves, or downright imbeciles, regarding this particular event. And obviously they tried to, double down. The damage is done. News item will appeared on not just the local news, even national news. It goes to show how stupid lefties are. Barking up the wrong tree, jumping to conclusions straight away without thinking. It goes to show that they're a bunch of thick idiots, and end the story. And the politicians, mainly responsible why we have so much mass immigration out of control, and so on. And we know the consequences to that as well. What type of it has on society has an impact. The more they come, the more it gets worse. And it goes to show these people, they are usually well educated, the first degree in sociology and all that shit, and they're so thick as 4 planks of wood, as they say.